Hello, my friends. Our humanity is what makes us unique. Today, we'll show you random acts of kindness that will undoubtedly make you believe in the existence of humanity. Please like, subscribe, and tick that little bell. And with that, let's do this. This man was drowning in the middle of the sea and was helpless as this gigantic wave was on the way. But the man on the jet ski saved his life by coming to help him just in the nick of time. The smile on this boy's face is priceless as he beats his favorite and one of the strongest superheroes of all time. A little girl was finding it difficult to step out of the trampoline, but her brother bent down and became a stair for her. This is the pure brother-sister bond. The father assists his disabled son in completing the game with the help of a supporter and has provided every conceivable assistance from his end. This teacher's never had a birthday cake before, but guess what the students decided to give as a surprise? Look how happy the teacher was. This man gives food and money to poor people, making them feel loved. A fisherman helped a shark get free from a fishing hook. He saved his life so he can go off and live a happy one. He's happy after saving a street dog stuck in a canal due to a heavy rain. This person gives food and money to a physically challenged man who's asking for coins. After receiving the money and food, the man gets emotional and starts crying. This person saves the life of a horse stuck in a muddy riverbank by carefully taking out the horse with a JCB. The boy's stepmother and stepfather celebrated his birthday by giving him a cake, which he then shared with his mother and stepfather. The boy was physically disabled, but with the support of the gym trainers, he was able to kick his first goal, making him extremely happy. This man hasn't seen his father in a long time. He goes to meet his father at the hospital, and his father is overcome with emotion when he sees him. This boy celebrates his first home run with his grandfather by writing something on the baseball, which makes his grandfather emotional. A wife goes to the hospital to wish her husband a happy Valentine's Day. Ah, look at that lovely couple. A student who lost his mother is suffering from the past memory of spending time with her, leading the class to get emotional and support him. A sister and brother are playing basketball together. The brother explains how to play basketball safely and shows her how to score a basket. That's brother and sister love. This girl lost her father due to his police work, so her father's friends get together to meet her and make her feel good. This man provides a wheelchair to a boy who's unable to walk due to disease. Look how happy he is. This mother is happy to see her son become a father and becomes emotional while holding her grandson. These people ran to save a blind man from a fast-moving train, saving his life. This homeless man takes cover from a shop to wear on his feet, causing the shop owner to feel sad and donate his shoes. What a wonderful gesture. Firefighters saved the life of an old woman and 2 children who were stuck in a demolished flat. After 40 hours of rescue, making the onlookers relieved and happy. This boy was playing too close to the water and fell in. Luckily, this guy was here on his scooter and he saw it. He jumped in and rescued the boy. Thank God he was there. A kind man and his son helped this guy get on the escalator. Turkey has been devastated by the earthquake. Thankfully, we have people like this to save the children and people who need it. This poor dog was trapped in a fire. Thank God the firefighters were able to get him out. He's struggling, but this oxygen they're giving him is going to make him all better. An older woman who was delivering products falls while delivering it. It's a good thing the homeowner was home. She's in good hands. A crippled boy was trying to get across the street. It's a good thing this man was there. He was able to stop the traffic and help the boy get across. This professor stayed with their students until early in the morning to assist them with their studies, which resulted in the students thanking him, and they became emotional. This professor is surprised by a student who brings cake to celebrate his birthday. Oh, he looks emotional, but happy. This 17-year-old boy returned this woman's purse to her home. She had left it at the shopping mall where she was. Thankfully, he was honest and brought it to her. This grandfather plays with his grandson in the snow to make him happy, as he has no friends to play with. This old woman is celebrating her birthday alone in a hotel, but the people join her and give her a special birthday hug. This little girl thanks the delivery man in her own way, making him feel good. This kind person helped an old man cross the road by lifting him and helping him cross. This guy gave his shoes to a homeless man in the subway. People can be wonderful. This man was struggling to complete the marathon, and his brother was there to give him a hand. A little boy with leukemia had dreamt of owning his own wagon, so his mother surprised him with a new one. Spider-Man took a break from fighting criminals like Rhino and Electro and Sandman and those type guys. Look how happy this kid is to see his favorite superhero. Here, two children are delivering flowers to an elderly woman working in a hotel, making the woman visibly moved. This guy was struggling with this heavy object on his back and couldn't move it. I'm not even sure what it is. But this guy was there to help him. And another one. How people really do come through when you need them, even when they don't know you. This old guy was struggling to get out of his car and also park his car. Good thing these bikers were there. They took time out to take care of him and get it done right. This delivery man gives his heart and soul for his clients. Just look at his face when they show their appreciation. He is so grateful. This compassionate truck driver clears the snow off the road and assists the neighbors by doing the same in front of their homes. As these kids were walking by, they noticed an old gaming chair in the trash. Ha! They love it! And look at that, they're already having fun with it. Here, police vehicles assist a mother duck and her young child as they cross the busy road. This unassuming man improved the life of this impoverished woman by providing her with a hotel room, buying her some clothing, and other services. Due to the extremely hot weather, the guy here gives the garbage man some cool beverages and cold water. A kind-hearted woman went to their neighbor's house to warn them about the fire that had been started close to their home. Until next time, adios.